there's a snake somewhere here. I'm just gonna cross this.
Yeah, here we come.
So today I'm just making a quick vlog. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Let's go. Just gonna grab a couple of monsters. We have to be awake as fuck. अरे भाई आराम से, तुम तो सिनेमैटिक स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही कूद रहे हो. चलो. Alright, so we have reached the destination for the photo shoot. Never miss a leg day, guys. Never miss a leg day. What happened? Oh, fuck. That's the view. What, are we supposed to jump from here? What the hell? Yeah. Okay. We made it. Another jump. We made it. I hope there's no snake over here. Or maybe snakes. It's a very good place to do a photo shoot. I'm sure many of them are not aware about this place. It's not that famous. It's not even that great, but it's kind of good for photo shoots. And it's peaceful. There's an abandoned house. But I'm still scared if there's a snake over here. I'm just worried if there's a snake somewhere here. I'm just gonna cross this. I can hear a Donald Duck, bro. I can really hear a Donald Duck. Best suitable location to click good pictures. I believe this area is good. This chamber looks great. Oh, we have light over here. The other two are pretty dark. This thing looks ancient. However, it is not. But it really looks ancient. Good morning, family. This is Sam Ryzi, and today we're gonna make a vlog about vlog. Basically, this video is what gears I'm using for my vlog videos. Just gonna show the exact products with exact price that I'm using for my vlog. However, this is just my personal review. It's not necessary for you to buy these things. I don't want people to get demotivated that you really need all these things to make a vlog. It's not necessary. You can just grab a phone and make a vlog. I'm really happy to see the vlogging scene in India. A lot of people are making vlogs in Hindi and English. I'm really proud of all of them. Keep doing the great work. This is just what I'm using for my vlog. If you like the way it looks, maybe you can go for these options what I'm gonna show. Alright, so first is the camera, and I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm not gonna talk about this because there are hundreds of videos on YouTube. Please go and check it. This mic is the secret to the crisp audio, guys. Trust me, the area where I'm shooting right now is totally windy. However, my voice really clear. I'll give you an example of a sound without the mic. This is TRS to TRSS cable. If you don't have this cable, you won't be able to connect the mic with the phone. Number 3 is the tripod. I really like this tripod. I bought it from Amazon. It's lightweighted, you can do easy transitions, and it's super flexible.
All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining.
Another favorite thing in my vlog setup is this wide angle macro lens. If you notice, the right and the left side of my video is a bit curved. It's because of this lens. However, this lens is optional. But it's always good to have a lens attached to your phone.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just...
And the process is very simple. You take your phone, clip it on your front camera, and you're good to go.
Crafting, I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I want to do when I want to. Everybody want to get away, but they not do. Everybody want to copy you, but they not you. Everybody want to be cool, but they not.
So this is my full vlogging setup, guys. I hope you like it.
Cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most. Know I'm never gonna choke, and I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real.
I'm feeling pretty energetic. Picture time. Okay guys, so this was the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, subscribe and share with your friends. Let's make the Ryzi family big. Till then, see you next time.
Yeah, here we come. Here we come.